nice beautiful day. And yeah, yesterday I did bought a plant, but I completely forgot to. Oh my god, what is that? Is that a one piece going on right there? Oh, like two of them wearing straw hat. Anyway, I got distracted. So I did buy rosemary and mint plants in the end. Also some soya for my other plants. I was thinking about changing that one because it looks so tired. That one right there. I've been like trying to put fertilizer. I don't know, maybe I need to change the soil. So that's what I'm going to do. And also I need to oil our decking again. This is my mint and rosemary plant that I got yesterday. And I need to change the pot because I'm going to put it on my kitchen counter right there. Oops. Yeah, right there. So this pot doesn't go with the kitchen, so it needs to be changed. And some soil. Alright, let's do this. I found my two black pots at the corner right there, storage. So now I need to change it.
I'm not so perfect, baby, are you?
We are on our way to Villanova because we have this, what is it called, Chi?
Some sort of gala.
Gala. What is it for?
A tournament for veterans that I guess I got the player of the year. The year? No,
The
it's
year?
just one night. Player of the tournament. No, one whole day tournament.
And this was back in when?
A few months ago.
It was pretty, like, August? No, right?
I think it was like June, July.
Yeah, it
beginning of
was that
summer.
long. Yeah, so we're going there around 9ish. We need to be there, but we're going earlier. We're just going to jalan-jalan for a bit, have a nice walk around that area. It was pretty nice place. have to pay parking. We're here.
stop the loneliness.
This is the marina. Oh, can't really see. We're about dah sampai dekat sini. Ichi busy texting.
Yes, text. Hello, say glad to hear from
Okay.
you. Well, I'm glad that you're glad.
It's pretty nice area. We're going to a restaurant. I still tak tahu nak makan apa, but we'll see what they have. So we're here. El Nautic restaurant. Let's go, Chi.
I can't stop.
The loneliness. Club Nautic Nova. Villa Nova.
So I remember I came here once. I was looking at a boat just over there. These are all small boats.
So it looks pretty packed here. I don't know about the view. Nah.
Oh, zero view.
No view at all.
No. So I wonder which spot. Okay.
In the end, we both tak order any makanan because we have to go about 8:30, and now like what's the time now? 7:34, but the kitchen will be open only starting at 8. Yeah, so we just going to have some olive and drinks. That's it. And maybe afterward we're going somewhere to eat. I don't know, we'll see. Finally, we can order something, but we're just going to order something simple because we are tight with time. Maybe we going to order prawn carpaccio with garlic and chili, or is this what you're talking about?
Yeah,
And
sure
also what, fried anchovies or anchovy with coca bread? Which one?
Scallops with ham. Sounds like too.
I don't know. Food is here. What is this, EJ? Apa ni?
Apa ni? Something. Can we get some knives? How am I supposed to cut this garlic?
With
Sure.
your finger. You can do that with your finger.
Yeah, peel it.
Back
not
in
cut
those
it.
days.
You're gonna
Yeah,
cut it.
pila. Just pila.
So anyway, he says, yeah, I'm sure we didn't order pantomima.
No, I don't think so. But you say something about
Well, he said he
tomato
murmured
and
something.
pancon,
He
whatever.
murmured something. I was like, huh.
So this one is anchovies. Oh, okay. Spanish food is simple, guys. It's not like Malaysian food.
Yeah,
Just so you guys know. Okay. Waiting for our cutleries. Ci, sabar boleh tak?
Mira.
Okay, dia dah start.
Primero the garlic.
What primero? You need to say in Malay.
Primero the cut.
The cut
Sorry, I'm
means?
mixing very numerous languages here.
Wait, the
So
cut?
I am rubbing
Okay,
the
potong.
garlic.
Sorry, you
I'm
can.
rubbing the garlic all over that coca bread. Yes, the name is coca bread. Nothing to do with coca, obviously.
Cocaine, you mean?
Yalla.
Yalla.
So rubbing the essence of the garlic while the bread is still hot.
Let me put a close up
Okay. And now we have some fantastic olive oil.
here. Ooh, fantastic olive
For
oil.
sure it's from the Penedès of the Catalonian mountains. Just
That's how
a
you
little
do it.
squirt. And then we spread it with the tomato. You see? Like so.
So roti ni
Okay.
is so famous over here. I don't know why,
No tomato?
but this is how they do it. And then they always like a
Quanto more
specific
famous?
tomato for this thing as well.
Here. A bit of salt. There we go. Hey John,
And now time to makan.
enjoy.
Gracias.
De nada. Mmm.
Okay. Oh. Now sedap. It's so simple. Maybe because make their own olive oil and everything fresh katanya. So,
Yeah.
such a nice simple food. Now I'm going to try the, what is it called? What is this?
Prawn carpaccio.
Prawn gazpacho. Oh my god. I boleh bau dia punya udang kering ya. I don't know if Malaysian gonna like this.
Why?
The dry prawn is so strong. Usually we have to like cook. This is the smell is super strong.
I think it's good.
Just weird. No, it's weird for me.
Yeah.
Not really like that one. And last one, I'm going to try the anchovies. Anchovy.
Where's anchovy?
So far, has always been my favorite. When I first tried this like 4 years ago, this anchovies. But you say he likes the white one, right? He prefer the white one.
Why are they different colors? It's the same fish.
No idea.
No.
No, good question. Why is that white and why is this brown?
Yeah.
But this one, well, for those who doesn't like salad, like me, I suka letak these anchovies in my salad. It tastes really good. It enhances the salad flavor. Yeah, so you should try it. But in Malaysia, they do sell this, but in a can, and it's pretty expensive. About, I think last time I bought it at Jaya Grocer, about 24 ringgit something. Or paling murah pun around 15 ringgit. It was really good, but super tiny in the can. And we're at Villanova, but it's too dark. Can't really see anything.
No?
No, pretty dark.
Yeah, what do we do with this and go?
You're already inside. Sorry,
So,
what you saying?
I'm already planning what my reaction is going to be. Oh my god. Kiss, kiss. And then I'm going to walk. And make a speech.
We are already inside the theater. It's okay, not bad. Right, Chi?
There's no palau.
Obvious.
Music out. Very simple designs.
Yalah.
Yeah.
Ya, los chavales, estáis echando de menos los torneos de Champions League, ¿verdad?
Veo aquí muchos jugadores, algunos me voy a...
I think so too. Oh my god, he doesn't know that he's supposed to be on the stage.
Bueno, ¿qué? Aquí podéis hablar todos, ¿no? ¿Quieres decir algo?
Oh my god, so we went to the parking after the event and we didn't see our car, and I saw like a tiny piece of paper saying like our car is being towed. What a day. So I'm waiting for Ichi right now outside of the police station. I'm waiting for him to take the car. We'll see. I don't know, I hope it's not costing too much for that. And well, it's actually, well, it's not really a parking area, but It's just that it's going to the corner, but still I don't think we really in the way. He was stuck nicely on the side, but well, again, I don't know. It's just hit and miss, right? It's pretty much just not our day kind of thing. Yeah. Well, we'll see what's going on. Wait for him. Right here is pretty dark. Well, at least the moon look nice tonight. Yesterday was full moon though. Hello, hi, good morning. So last night was a disaster. We finally got our car back. Each have to take it at the police station. And yeah, nothing much going on. I just finished my workout. Now I'm going to make some smoothies for us, and we're going to storage, and he's going to meet up our friend to take a look at his neck and back because he twisted his neck while he's sleeping. How lame is that? Okay, he cannot hear me. And I'm going to make my smoothie now. I put a lot of berries today for my smoothie because we are out of bananas. Will taste good. My smoothie is ready. So purple today. Storage, getting our winter ready clothing.
It's early though.
I know. But sometimes at night the start sejuk sikit. Well, tak sejuk sangat, but still quite chilly because we're still on the beach, right? The weather is pretty windy. But this day I tak tahu kenapa weather tak berapa sejuk, but we just want to get ready so we don't have to go back and forth to the storage. Yeah, because it takes us about 35 minutes to get there. And after, we're going to see our favorite masseuse because itchy. Just have a problem with his neck and shoulder, which is lame because he got it from sleeping.
I got injured while sleeping.
Injured while sleeping.
So the question is, who's sleeping next to me? That's the real question.
Hey, salahkan orang pula.
Somebody
Anyway.
injured me while I was sleeping.
Nice weather. I already put my stuff in the car.
In other ways.
Right here. Oh my
We
god.
gamble.
Panas
We
betul
spend
with
a lot of
air
time on
sini.
the internet or somewhere else, and
No.
those ways can
Oh,
often
it's not too much.
be counterproductive in the long
Panasnya.
run. When you
Creamy milk, hints of caramel flavor. Morgan.
Having caramel macchiato. from convenience store. Beautiful day. We are a little bit early, so we're just sitting here, have our coffee, and we can go in there in maybe 10 minutes. Enjoy the Barcelona weather. Remy is checking what's the problem right here.
You see, you have distress?
Look at that. Looks like you have extra teeth on your hands.
I got nipples growing out of my shoulder. You're getting canceled for that.
Cancel. Oops. Oh my god, look at his back. That looks disgusting. It's like, it looks like a rotten strawberries. Strawberry.
Black hairs.
And we are back. Right now, Ichi cleaning up, and I'm going to make chikodo for our makan petang. Okay, what a long day. And wait, what's the time right now? I can't see the time. Berapa sekarang? No, almost 6 o'clock. Okay, so I'm just going to make dinner as well. What should I make?